One of my favourite off-road accessories is definitely lighting, and it's hard to ignore what Novsight are bringing to the table. They've definitely got some very cool gear, but also some new and innovative stuff that I'm interested to take a look at. Let's go and check it out.
Hello, I'm Maisie from Novsight. Welcome to our SEMA booth.
One of the first things to catch your eye are these animated lights here. Now this is the big one, the 8-inch Halo Pro. Now this can be controlled in so many different ways, and it comes with this 4-switch control panel here. The rotating DRL here, you can actually switch between 7 different modes. So it's impressive with the different styles, the animations, the actions that you can get out of that. But you can also control the side lights and the main lights individually, and you can change the colour of the DRL. So if we remove the amber, you can see from white to amber there, which is a real theme of the Novsight lights. You've got the amber and the white. You can change that. So quite impressive what these lights can do. We're talking about 6,000 Kelvin with the output there, but very, very impressive lights, and really going with that amber and white theme. The straight Halo series here, you've got with the red or white can be changed, DRL there. Brilliant light output, and they come in, as you can see, in a range of configurations. The 20-inch Halo Pro light bar is a real awesome one as well. You can take off and replace these individual sections right throughout, and of course you've got the same controls, changing the rate and frequency, the style of the DRL, and also switching the light on and off. But you've got these separate DRLs here which will go from off to dark amber and through to just the standard amber. The X series come in this rectangular format. They've got the animation of the Halo Pro series, but also this standout X here, and all of the Novsight lights come with these removable amber covers that make the lights stand out, and they're super adaptable for different conditions. Switching is one of the areas where Novsight lights excel. Have a look at this one. Most of the lights come with this 4-panel switch here, the A, B, C, D, to give you different controls over especially the Halo and Halo Pro series lights. But it gets even better with this Bluetooth switch gang, which gives you remote control of your lights up to around 30 meters of distance. That's pretty cool. But if you want to be even cooler, how about voice activated lighting? Hey Novsight, turn on channel 1. Turn on all channels. Turn off all channels. That's cool, but what do they look like on a vehicle? This is their first time ever having a display UTV, and it's set up with the Cyber lights, the X series, and the Halo Pro. And this very cool JL Jeep that's got just about one of everything, plus the all-new, just released Novsight headlights.
Now I want to show you how I switch this to Christmas, because we use the Bluetooth to send the picture or the videos to the Cyber Eye. So this is Merry Christmas. If you want more information of our products, please visit our Novsight.com.